Greetings everyone, we are team ฝนตกไหม My name is พัทรดลจอมกอบ
My name is Chavin Paikiao.
And my name is Aratit Somrakon.
Today our team is excited to present our idea, the AI micro flood alert system. Our goal is simple, to help communities prepare and respond better to flood by using data and artificial intelligence.
Flooding is a global issue, and the numbers really speak for themselves. First, 1.8 billion people worldwide are exposed to significant flood risk. That's nearly 1 in 4 people in this planet. In the last decade, more than 265 million people were displaced by natural disasters, many of them because of floods.
And every year, around 32 million people are directly impacted by floods, losing homes, belongings, and in some cases, lives. A late or unclear warning can mean the difference between safety and disaster. Too often, alerts are too broad, too delayed, or simply unavailable in smaller communities. That's why we believe it's not enough to just know floods are coming. People need timely, precise, and local alerts they can actually act on. These numbers remind us that smarter solutions aren't just an option, they're a necessity.
Our answer is the AI micro flood alert system. Think of it as a smarter, more precise early warning tool. Here's how it works. Firstly, we gather real-time information from rainfall, sensors, satellite images, and report from local residents. This gives us a clear picture of current conditions on the ground.
And next, our machine learning algorithms analyze all that data. They look for patterns that could indicate a flood is about to happen, essentially predicting risk before it becomes a problem.
And lastly, we have a risk map. The system creates a color-coded risk map. It highlights micro areas. Sometimes it's just a single street or a neighborhood that are most at risk. This makes alerts specific and actionable, so residents know exactly what to do and authorities know where to focus resources.
Here is how our system could work in practice. Let's say the rainfall forecast predicts 60 millimeters per hour. That is a strong signal of possible flooding. Our AI analyzes this and gives outputs like Lad Krabang with high flood risk, which will be red, and Moshit with low flood risk, which will be green.
And with this information, residents on Lad Krabang can take immediate action, moving their vehicles, protecting their homes, and avoiding streets that might flood. Meanwhile, authorities can prioritize their response, sending emergency teams and resources exactly where they are needed most, rather than spreading themselves too thin. This way, everyone knows what to do and where to focus, turning potentially chaotic situations into manageable ones.
This solution brings multiple benefits. So firstly, people receive timely, accurate alerts so they can protect their families and belongings. Secondly, the teams know exactly where to go first, saving time and resources. And lastly, over the long term, the data helps city planners design safer, more resilient neighborhoods.
And to bring this idea to life, we have imagined 3 key phases for how it could work. So first thing, we will be collecting relevant flood and weather data and exploring how communities and authorities could contribute.
And the second phase, AI development. We will be designing and testing algorithms that could predict micro-level flood risk using this data.
And the last phase, phase 3, would be implementation and training. Conceptually, this phase would involve piloting the system in select areas and showing how residents and emergency workers could use it effectively.
In short, our project combines the power of technologies with the needs of communities.
By focusing on micro-level flood alerts, we can transform the way people prepare and respond to disasters.
Our vision is resilience, helping communities feel safer, emergency workers act faster, and cities plan smarter. Thank you for listening.